Think your motorcycle choice is just about horsepower or brand loyalty? Think again. What if your bike is actually a silent declaration of who you are as a rider, a philosophical statement etched in chrome and metal? We're diving deep into the unspoken language of motorcycles, revealing how your ride reflects your core values on the open road. We don't usually talk about motorcycles this way. We talk about torque curves. We argue displacement. We defend brands like sports teams. But beneath all of that, your motorcycle is telling a story, not to everyone, but to those who know how to listen. And today, we're going beyond brands to uncover what your bike represents about how and why you ride. The bike as an autobiography. Every motorcycle is a choice, and every choice carries intention. Not just what you ride, but why you ride it. Some bikes whisper nostalgia. Others shout rebellion. Some promise freedom. Others discipline. Your motorcycle is an autobiography, written without words. Heritage riders. If you're drawn to heritage machines, classic lines, exposed engines, timeless silhouettes, you may not just be buying a bike. You're preserving a lineage. You value continuity. You respect the past. You believe that meaning deepens with time. Your philosophy isn't about chasing the newest thing. It's about honoring what came before. Riding isn't rushed, it's ritual. Performance-oriented riders. If your bike prioritizes precision, speed, and aggressive engineering, you believe riding is mastery. You don't just want to ride with the machine, you want to become part of it. Your philosophy centers on growth. Improvement. The pursuit of perfection, even if it's never fully reached. The road isn't just a path, it's a proving ground. Minimalists and custom builders. If you ride something raw, personalized, or unconventional, it's not about attention. It's about authorship. You reject off-the-shelf identity. You want your bike to reflect you, not a catalog. Your philosophy values authenticity over approval, expression over conformity. And the road, it's your canvas. Beyond the spec sheet. Let's talk about what motorcycles are not. They are not spreadsheets. They are not resale values. They are not spec comparisons. Because if riding were about numbers alone, we'd all ride the same machine. But we don't. Because motorcycles speak in a language that doesn't show up on spec sheets. The feeling factor. It's how the engine pulses beneath you, how the handlebars communicate with the road, how the bike feels at 40 miles per hour, not 140. Some bikes feel alive, some feel obedient, some feel demanding, and the bike you choose is the one whose voice matches yours, the unspoken bond. Every rider knows this moment, that first ride where everything clicks, where the bike stops feeling like a machine and starts feeling like a companion. You don't rationalize it, you recognize it. That bond reveals your philosophy more honestly than any spec sheet ever could. What different riding philosophies reveal? The explorer. If your bike is built for distance and uncertainty, you value experience over destination. You ride to discover, to disappear, to learn from the road itself. Your philosophy says the journey matters more than the arrival. The purist. If your motorcycle is straightforward, no excess, no gimmicks, you believe riding should be honest. No filters, no distractions. Just you, the machine, and the road. Your philosophy values clarity and presence. The rebel. If your bike challenges norms, visually or mechanically, you ride to assert independence. Not to impress, but to differentiate. Your philosophy says, freedom is non-negotiable. The balanced rider. If your bike blends comfort, performance, and practicality, you seek harmony. You don't chase extremes. You adapt. Your philosophy embraces versatility on the road and in life. The enduring connection. Over time, something strange happens. The bike changes you. And you change the bike, scratches become memories, miles become milestones, The motorcycle you keep, the one you don't sell easily, that's the one aligned with your deepest riding philosophy. Because it doesn't just take you places, it understands you. So here's the question, not what do you ride, but why that bike? What does your motorcycle say about your values, your priorities, your relationship with the road? Because beyond brands, beyond horsepower, your motorcycle isn't just transportation. It's a reflection of who you are when the road opens up and the world falls away. If your bike could talk, what would it say about what you value in life? Is it heritage, performance, or a restless, unique blend that only you understand? Drop a comment below. Tell me the philosophy behind why you chose your motorcycle. What does your ride say about you? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more motorcycle content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Until next time, ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.